John A. Logan, Commander-in-Chief of the Grand Army of the Republic, inaugurated Decoration Day on May 30th, 1868, to honor those who had fallen preserving the Union in the Civil War. We now call Decoration Day Memorial Day.
Feature now the Federal Generals Corps. The Corps is a national organization of living historians who portray Union Civil War officers. This group has appeared many times at schools, events, and movies, and in documentaries.
With them are Lee's lieutenants. They portray the leaders of the Army of Northern Virginia and bring history to life. They have members with them from all over the country. Camp of the Sons of Confederate Veterans has marched in the National Memorial Day Parade since the beginning. They are proud to be joined by their compatriots, friends, and living historians in memory of the valor of the Confederate soldier, sailor, and their families. Today, they have more than 50 participants marching with their group.